Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You sign into YouTube TV first. Use desktop for easier settings. Once logged in, open settings, then membership or billing to reach payment methods. You need your new card or PayPal details ready because updating requires verifying info immediately. Make sure your billing address matches the card issuer to avoid declines. If you're on mobile, use the app but expect some screens to differ. That's why desktop is recommended for the first change. You now choose Add Payment Method or Edit next to an existing method. Click it to open the form. Enter card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address exactly as your bank has it so authorization succeeds. Once entered, save and then mark the new method as primary if you want it to pay upcoming charges. If using PayPal, follow the OAuth prompts to connect YouTube TV. Take a moment to verify there are no typos, because most failures come from address mismatches. You finish by confirming the change. Look for an on-screen confirmation and an email that lists the new payment and next billing date. If the charge is declined, check the billing address, available funds, and whether your bank requires 3D Secure or extra verification. Complete those prompts. If problems persist, contact your bank to authorize the merchant, then reach YouTube TV support with Transaction ID. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.